The Samsung Galaxy A55 is expected to launch globally soon as a new mid-range offering in the Galaxy S series. The phone was previously spotted on the 3C certification website revealing its charging speed, while a separate report confirmed that the phone will feature an Exynos chipset. The smartphone is expected to launch globally soon, including India. It will be the successor to the Galaxy A54, launched in March earlier this year. Now with the Galaxy A55 expected to launch soon, Smart Price has collaborated with OnLeaks to bring you the 5K renders of the upcoming Samsung phone along with some confirmed key specifications. Let's take a closer look at what to expect from the device. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A55 will come with a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. The handset is expected to feature a full HD plus resolution and up to 120Hz screen refresh rate. In terms of design, the phone will come with a flat frame design running all around. As for the rear camera, the phone will offer a triple rear camera setup along with a flash. The power button and the volume rockers will be present on the right-hand side, while the SIM slot will be present on the top of the device. On the bottom, the phone will come with a Type-C charging port and a speaker. In terms of dimensions, the device will roughly measure 161.1 by 77.3 or 77.9 by 8.2 millimeters. Based on the previous leaks and rumors, the Galaxy A55 is said to come powered by a new Exynos 1480 chipset with AMD GPU. The 3C listing revealed that the device will feature a 25W wired fast charging. Also, the same listing confirmed that the device will be 5G enabled. In terms of optics, the device is said to feature a 50MP main camera, with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A55 featuring a 6.5-inch flat display, a triple rear camera setup, and a powerful Exynos 1480 chipset with AMD GPU. It seems poised to make a mark in the mid-range smartphone segment. Considering the specifications and design revealed so far, what aspects of the Galaxy A55 are most appealing to you? And how do you think it will compete with other mid-range smartphones in the market? Additionally, what features or improvements would you like to see in mid-range smartphones to enhance the overall user experience? You let us know in the comment section. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in next one.